Open this table. Write in that in the second table, you will keep again align equal to center and cell padding equal to suppose 15, cell spacing equal to suppose for 0. Next, after that, you will write for border equal to 1 and border color also. Border color equal to green color. So green color border will get applied. Green color border will get applied. Okay, hope ready. Now write a caption. Inside the caption, you will add H1. There we will add for login. Now come down. After the caption, you will write TR. There you will follow one TH and you will keep call email ID. Email ID. Next TD. Input type equal to email. Placeholder equal to enter email ID. Enter email ID. You will add here size property also. Size equal to keep 40. So it will come little big size text box. Okay, next after that, you will add here for password. Password. Input type equal to password. Password. Next we will add one TR. TR. Cell padding is twice. Cell spacing. Second, you can keep cell spacing, not padding. SPACING spacing. One is cell padding. Second one is cell spacing. Now write TR. Keep a TH. Call span equal to 2. Call span 2. There you can add a button call login. Type equal to we can mention call submit. Type equal to submit. Save now, check this file. Login file, how that appear? Form 2 is here. Single line border will come if you give cell padding, cell spacing 0. Cell spacing 0 if you give, then single line border will come. Cell spacing 0 will bring in the single line border. Cell spacing 0. Let me know once you make ready. You can go for next file. Okay, hope everyone done. We can go to the next file. Enter password. After this button, the button I have created here, login button. Just after button, write one HR tag. Write one HR tag. And for that HR tag, you can add color equal to red, size equal to 1. Color equal to red and size equal to 1. So href equal to, you can send your code. What problem is, you can speak, mic is working. I will guide you. Photo downloading and seeing the output is long process.
Sir, actually, in my table now, from the downside, 2 lines are coming from left, right, and from up, it's a single line, but from the down, it's 2 line is showing. Why it is, I don't know.
Where two line? Here for us it's a two line. Two line is for me also in the last.
Okay then, sir. I thought for me only it's coming.
Okay, next after this. EHREF equal to, we can write here form 3 3.html, and we can write here new, then register, something like this. So just after the button, one horizontal line will appear. The thickness of the line will be 1 pixel, and there it will be written called AHREF equal to form3.html, new, then register. Okay, new, then register. Now let us see how that appear. That appear like this. One line will appear, new, register will lead you to go to the form 3. Save this file and create the next file, form3.html.
Sir, for me, the table is that email ID part size is 40, but mine it's not coming 40. It's by default it is taking small size. It's coming.
You can send your code in chat. I will guide you the problem.
Okay.
Sharing the code. Okay, then hope it's work. Form 3 you can create and copy till here. This much. This much will go in form 3 as well. If you share your code in chat, I can guide you. Code if you share in chat, then I can advise you this is the problem. Without looking into the code, how I'll come to know what problem? Body. Save the file form 3. Form3.html. In form 3 again, come down, table only will create a different structure. You can use again cell padding. Cell padding 10, 12 we can write. Yes, after that cell padding 10. Hello Shankar. How are you? Good. I will call you 6:30 exactly. No, just no. No. Yeah, 6. Border is not required here. Cell padding are given. Align key pages center. BG color also, if you want, we can add here. BG color, pink color. BG color as a pink. Next, after that, write a caption H1, register, write a TR, TH, full name, or maybe first name, PD, input type equal to text, placeholder, first name. Now in the same TD, same TR, we will add two more. Last name, first name, last name, add here. Okay, next after this, you can check. In one line, you will find two heading and two TD. Okay, in one line, two text box will appear. Something like this. First name, last name. Copy one more TR. Email ID. Input type equal to email. Email ID. Mobile number. Type equal to number. Mobile number. Sequence. Check now how that look. It should look like this, form 3. Next, after that, we can add password, confirm password. Add one more TR. TH. Password. TD. Input type equal to password. Password. Enter. Password. Enter confirm password. Read password. Re-enter password. Type will remain same. Type equal to password only. You will add 2 times. Save it and let me know in the chat. This, so 5 people have completed. Next, check how the page look like this. Next, after this, we will add one text area, ATR, TH, full address, next TD, call span equal to 3. Call span 3, why we have given? Because in the previous row you can see total 4 columns are there. 4 columns are there. TH, TD, TH, TD. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When you come to this one, TH, TD, 1 TH came. After that, remaining missing column is how many? 3. So for we created 1 TD, and for that TD we said call span 3 means you take the space of 3 columns. Now under this TD, You will create one text area. Under this TD, you will create a text area. Text area. The text area will look like this. Text area open close. And in the text area, you will write rows to increase the height. Rows as a 10 and calls somewhere 50, 50, 52, 53. You can try. It should match. 50, 52, 53. You can try. It should match. It should be little more bigger. 70 we can write. Text area rows 10, calls is 70. 70 is bigger. Let me try with the 65. 65. 65 is also look like with. Okay, 62 somewhere. It should not resize the table. It should fit in that. So this much is okay. Let's come down. Write the next TR. Follow the TH. All span 4. Why? Because one TH should cover the full width. Then the button will come in the middle. You can write here call. Space we have sufficient. So let's follow the TD. We will add something else in that. TD. Okay. This you can give as a 3. And before that add one more TH. Call terms condition. Checkbox should be there. Input type equal to checkbox. Input type equal to checkbox. And we can write here by default as a checked. Equal to checked. Checked equal to checked. So one checkbox will appear. By default, it will be selected. Below, you will write in the second TD in one paragraph, or maybe you can use some other tag. Maybe I tag you can use italic. I am agree on terms and conditions. Okay, hope you have written. Check now, you will find one checkbox will appear. Something like this. I am agree on term condition. Below we will write here in a PR first you follow. After that you will follow a tag called details. Details. Okay, you follow a tag called details. Under the details tag, you will use called summary. Collapse expand might we have seen somewhere. First click open, second click close. Call read more. PNC. Read more PNC. Read more TNC, terms and conditions. Or simply you can write a read more dot. Come down inside a paragraph. Inside a P tag, you can add some text. Term condition contents. 2-3 line, how much you want and add here. Then check the page. We have to apply the width for table label. But as of now, first we will understand the details and summary tag, how it is working. Yes, madam. Tell me. I have done today, no, only. Hope done. Check now how that look. It look like this. Read more once you click. Oh, it's opening the big one. No problem. We can control that. Read more. Table is getting resized. Okay. Keep double BR here. Read more. 2 BR you can keep. 2 times break will get applied. BR will get applied 2 times. Hope we added the double BR. Little space got apply, read more. Collapse expand is happening here, but the problem is table is getting resized. So for that you have a solution. Go in the beginning. Go in the beginning. And for the table you can apply the width. Somewhere 700 or maybe 50%. 50% width. So it should take the 50% of the screen. 50% of the screen always. Still 50% is getting. Okay, let me reduce little. 40% or maybe some 500 also you can give. Try with number. The table should not, you can say, okay, let me try this. So this is okay. checkbox is coming up down. Solution we have for that. We have left out with one property V align. Can you see that? Read more, read less. So add it. Give the width for your table as a 500. 550 you can give. Okay, hope done. 500, come down below. Now, in this TR, you can see here is the problem. When I am checking this, when I am clicking on, checkbox is coming up down. Hope you can see that. Now solution we have for this TR level, we can apply V align, vertical align. Vertical align as a top. Vertical align as a top. So the checkbox will be always in the beginning. It will not move up, down, up, down. You can add V align as a top. So checkbox will be always in the beginning. It will not do up, down, up, down. Okay, V align top, vertical align top. So you can see. Let's click now. See, become fixed. That is the meaning of V align. If you keep bottom, the checkbox will be in the last. By default is the middle. By default is middle. Come down. Write the next TR. TH. Call span equal to 4. THY I have follow. THY I have follow because THY we have follow because we want the content should be in the center. By default, TH will print in the middle. By default, TH will print in the middle. So we have used the TH tag. We have used the TH tag. So let me go here and create a button now. Button call save product. Save product, not register. Button will be called register, and here type will be submit. I will be giving the example of type. Submit meaning is what, reset meaning is what, form action meaning is what, how that works. Okay, come next. After this button, you will write one HR tag. HR tag. The color will be green color. Size will be 1. AHREF equal to next page, that is called form2.html. And we can write here registered already, then login. Registered already, then go for the login. So written, see now how that appear. That appear like this. Register already, then login, new, then go to register. Correct. And here it's already collapse find is working. The tag name is called summary. The tag name is called details. Details is the tag. Ready? Shall we go to the third file? Fourth file.
Sir, excuse me, this first name and full address, it's coming up and down. Why? Because of the width it's coming? We have to,
Increase.
oh, if we increase, it will come at the same line, no?
Right. Change and increase and sequence.
Okay.
Water is needed. Water. No damage. Okay, then go ahead, form4.html. You can take the copy of till table from previous file. Close the body tag. Come down. In this file, we will be creating a different design of the table, different design of form. Caption is required. H1. Inquiry. Yes, or you can use the TD, 1 TD, 2 TD in one row. Second row, you will add only one TR. Second row, you will add one TR with one TD. The third row also same look. Next, after that, we need to design the layout in this. Next, you can see inside the first row, you have the double TD. Inside the second, only one, third also only one. So what we will do in that, for this TD, if you write row span 3, then how many rows it will take? Rows is 1, 3, how many rows it will take? 3 rows it will take. Okay, so we can go here now. This TD will take the place here. Same TD will take the place here also. Same TD will take the place here also. Now go under this TD and write a text area. Text area. For this text area, rows equal to 10, like height, and calls equal to 40. This is in the first. So this TD will take the place here, it will take here also, it will take here also. Now in the second one, you create just a text box. Input type equal to text. Here also you create a text box. Here also you create a text box. You will see like the text area of the first TD is covering in the second row also as well as third row also. Just add it code first, run the page, idea will come automatically. Row span. Row span is going to take the space of 3 rows from top to bottom. It's look like this. Try adding. Hope ready? Look like this. Row span 3. This is the first row, second row, third row. This is covering total 3 rows. Now you add the placeholder everywhere. Placeholder equal to enter message. Next placeholder equal to enter your name. Next placeholder equal to enter mobile number. Next placeholder equal to enter email ID. Mobile number changes a number. Email ID changes a email. After this, we required one button, one more TR, TH, all span 2, all span 2, button, send message. Okay, hope ready. Let us check now. It look like this everywhere. You want to see how the call span is working, the row span? For this particular TD, you can write the BG color. For particular TD, write BG color orange. For particular TD, write BG color equal to orange. BG color will get applied for the TD from beginning to last, where the TD start and where the TD end. It is something like this. BG color completely. Table level, you can apply some color. We have a property called BG color again for table also. Pink. And cell padding increase to maybe 20. More space will get applied surrounding. Table will look more better. Border, no need to add. Without border is fine. Okay. Then it's look like this. You can see for one TD you have given call span 3, row span 3, so it is covering here. Complete area plus this also, plus this also. Okay, next we'll go for the next file, form 5. Till 4 you have ready, you made it ready. Till 4. Next file, form 5. Create the next file, form 5. You can take copy till table. Body you can close. HTML you can close. Form 5.html. Now form 5.html. I will design one quick photo. You will implement here. So right till here. I will design one photo in Paint. You will try to implement. Okay, done then. Now let me show you the design. What should be the design of this page? Design of this page will be one text box here and one more text box here. You can see two text box in one line. Second text box full width. Third text box like this, like this. It's a completely TD table everything. And fourth one button called register or maybe send anything. Okay, this is the file, this is the task for you. Let's try it quickly. Now tell me in this page how many row and how many columns? First row how many columns, second row how many columns, third row how many columns, and even fourth row how many columns? Row I told you just four TR you have to create. But in first row how many columns? Two columns. Second row, third row, fourth row. Try quickly this table and please share the code in the chat. Try quickly this table and share the code in chat. I will wait for your response. If you are not able to share in the chat, then if you are using maybe mobile to log in, try in the system, send the photo in WhatsApp group if possible. We will see what code you are writing. 4 pages I created, 1 page for you. I will be back in 2 minutes. Just 5 once. Okay, so hope anyone wrote. Please share your coding chat once it is ready. This is not as expected, something else. For the text box, there is a property called size. For text box, there is a property called size. You have to use the size property. Here, you can use here for text box size. SIZ size. Size equal to 60, you can write. And then try how it is. Hello. Tell me, sir. बोलिए. अभी टेस्टिंग अवेलेबल नहीं है. Okay, hope written. Let us check now. So we go here, form 5. Okay, something changes is required. Form 5, row span, call span here written, size 60 is okay, but why not coming? Okay, because I have to run this page. Here is the one. It's become little big size only, 60. We should reduce to 45 or maybe 50. Okay. You can add one caption property here. Caption. H1. Anything you can give. Sign up. Sign up. Write some heading. First name, last name, email. This should be email ID. This should be password. This should be confirm password. This should be typed as email. Password. Okay, ready? Check now. So look meaningful page. First name, last name, email, password, confirm password. And here instead of send, submit. Instead of send, write button text as a submit. ACUBMIT submit. Save it. Check once. Hope the page is running. I will upload last videos yesterday, day before yesterday video. I will upload. Whichever is missing, I will upload and I will send you the link. You can follow that. Then we can log out now.